Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Misplaced your keys for the 100th time? Or struggled to remember a familiar name? You're not alone. But what if I told you these senior moments aren't just a normal part of aging? New research reveals 3 hidden threats silently attacking your brain, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. In this video, we'll expose these threats and reveal how you can protect your brain and keep your mind sharp. Threat number 1. Neurotoxins. These harmful chemicals are lurking in everyday products, from cleaning supplies to personal care items. They silently invade your brain, damaging cells and disrupting crucial functions. Threat number 2. Leaky brain syndrome. Imagine a protective shield around your brain. Now imagine that shield springing leaks. That's leaky brain syndrome. It allows those harmful neurotoxins to enter your brain and wreak havoc. Threat number 3. Neuroinflammation. Chronic inflammation in the brain is like a fire slowly burning, damaging neurons and impairing cognitive function. This can lead to serious issues like memory loss and even contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's. But there's good news. You can fight back. Want to learn more about protecting your brain and enhancing cognitive function? Visit the link in the description to discover a natural solution that can help you stay sharp and focused. Remember, a healthy brain is a happy brain. Take the first step towards a brighter, more vibrant you.